You want to install Windows on your PC, but you might not be able to install Windows on your PC. So guys, this is Alok, and in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can install Windows on your PC or laptop. So here's the thing, you will need a Rufus software and then the Windows ISO file. Now simply double click on the Rufus software, click on the select icon and simply select your ISO file. Now here's the thing, you have to select partition scheme as MBR partition. Now click on the start and it will start copying your ISO file to the USB drive, and within few minutes your pen drive will become bootable and will be ready for Windows install. Installation. Now take your bootable pen drive and machine in which you want to install Windows. Now insert that pen drive into the machine. Go to the boot menu of that machine. If you didn't see your pen drive in boot menu, simply go to BIOS settings, go to system configuration, go to boot option, and here enable USB boot. Now save the changes and restart your computer. Again go to boot menu, and now here you will find your flash drive. Then simply select your pen drive and hit the enter. And guys, here the setup goes on. Now select the installation method as custom, then go to the drive in which you want to install Windows, format it, and again select that drive, click on the next button, and that's it. Within 30 to 40 minutes your Windows will be installed. So guys, that's it for this one. If you like this, press the thumbs up button and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and guys, I will see you in the next one.